Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great weekend, safe weekend. Let's make it a great week, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. You get the Dow up 49, NASDAQ down 43, S&P's are flat. Gold contract up $2.90, traded at $1,234 an ounce. Silver up 24 cents at $18.63 an ounce. Platinum down $9 at $1,361 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.09 a pound. Light sweet crude up 62 cents at $92.89 a barrel. Bonds, you got the 10-year rejecting lower price. Lighter volume up 6 ticks now at 124.30. 10-year, 30-year, same deal. Rejected lower price this morning, has lighter volume, up 10 ticks at 136.05. You're going to see those babies moving topside once again. King dollar. King dollar up 25 ticks at 84.26. You got the euro down 25 at 129.30. And the yen is down 16 at 107.18. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look. And what do you have? You got a flat market out here, cash S&P. We're at 1984. If we go over the SPY and take a look at the SPY, the SPY, what you're going to see is this. You had a huge expansion of volume on Friday on the way down. Did 117 million shares. Nice expansion going into the number of 199.06. Right now, we're at 199.11. Under 199.06, folks, gets you in the lower range. That would set up the SPY down to the 190.55 mark. Dow Industrials, you take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow is already inside the lower range. The Dow is up 49 right now. The Dow would have to get back over the 17,150 mark. Bottom line, what you have inside the Dow Industrials, and this is really cool how this is setting up, and this is what you have. Inside the Dow, so check this out. And this is really hard to do, folks. You have 370 million shares as the Dow is moving higher, right? Okay. Ready for some toast? The NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, folks, is leading the charge, and leading the charge with an extraordinary amount of volume on the way down. Right now, you get the composite down approximately 1%, 0.9% to be exact. You have monster volume. You're talking about unloading. Oh, baby, they are unloading this thing. So in the course of, 5 hours right now, it has just come back to August 19th. And what we have volume-wise is this. Volume, we've already done 1.5 billion shares in the and the NASDAQ. That's going to set up over a 2 billion share day as that baby heads south. NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same setup in the 3 Qs. The 3 Qs had made highs out there with 36 million, 25 million. You're down now with 26 million. For the 3 Qs, for the NDX 100 to get in the lower range, it would have to get into 97.51. I do expect you're going to see that. The large movers in the NASDAQ and the NDX 100, this is what you have. Tesla is getting toasted and roasted. Tesla right now is down 23 bucks. You got Activision off 111. Micron Tech is off 184. Well, let's see, Micron. 132. TripAdvisor is off $4. PCLN Priceline. This was another one that was getting whacked out here. It's down 12 bucks. That's not a huge amount. Tesla, if you do go over to the Tesla, which there was the huge short position in Tesla, but Tesla is just getting toasted. Tesla's had done 14.5 million shares. And what's screaming for Tesla is this 225 level, and right now you're at 255. So it has a long way to go before you get down to the bottom out there. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at gold. So what we have with gold is this. Gold last week broke your May and your June swing points. Did it with volume, too, okay? So those correlations, first off, would have to get back inside the 1241. That's the bearish side of it. The bullish side of it, folks, is this, is that we are coming into, and it's going to be really hard to break this baby down. You're coming into the, there she is. You're coming into the last 2 lows that were made. The initial low in gold after making a high of 1920, went down for 2 years, made the low in June of 2013. That level there, it's coming down to that level with about a third of the volume. We tested that level in December of 2013. Bottom line, it's testing that level at about half the amount. If we want to take a look at the GLD, if you don't have the futures, you can line up the GLD on that aspect. We take a look at this on a 5-year basis, and what you're going to see is this. Last week you did 118 million shares. That was going into 185 million shares, and that was going into 254 million shares. So the bottom line is that that gold market looks to me like we got a third bottom that's coming in place. It would need a huge amount of volume in order to get to lower price. And what you have out here today is that the equities are actually moving higher, with gold not doing too much. King Dollar. We go take a look at King Dollar. What King Dollar's done is this. King Dollar's done a straight line move up. That little baby right now, I expect is going to back off somewhat. And what you're going to see out here is that King Dollar is going to more than likely move back to somewhere around we're at 84.45 right now. I suspect whether it's going sideways, back up. On a longer-term basis, King Dollar wants at 85, probably 89. Shorter-term basis, it's time for a break. It's time for a back down. Now, our phone number is 877-927-6648. Folks, if you go to the front page of our website at TFNN, we're going to have some fun out here. And what we're going to do, we're going to be giving $10,000 in cash away. And guess what? There's no entry fee. Everyone can come in here. What we're doing is that we're going to have a virtual trading competition. This is the first day that you can sign up for it. Go to the front page of TFNN. And as you go to the front page of TFNN, what you're going to see is right on the front page. Let me get this up. Whoops, not that one. There she is. Okay, so when you get that up, you're going to see a $10,000 virtual trading contest. The first prize, so first off, this is how it works. The sign-up starts today, and the actual contest is going to go until, is going to start on the 28th of September and go to Friday. That's on a Monday. That's on a Sunday, rather. Sunday night. You can start Sunday night. And it's going to go the full week. It's going to go to Friday, November 3rd. You have to sign up by Thursday, September 25th at noon, okay, in order to basically register. Each day, during those 5 days, we're going to be giving away $500 just for competing. There's going to be 5 different prize winners. So the bottom line is that even if you just trade that day, you have a chance of winning. The first place is going to be $3,000 in cash, second place $1,500, third place $750, fourth place $500, fifth place $500, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th, each $250 apiece. Then we're giving away the Art of Time in the Trade. We're giving away some newsletters. Bottom line is that when you cut to the chase, I believe we're giving away about, okay, so there's going to be 70 total prizes, 45 winners, 35 cash prizes, 35 copies of The Art of Time in the Trade. It's a nice setup. It's on the Nadex platform. So what will end up happening is you come over to our website at TFNN, you sign up. On the Nadex platform, what's going to happen is this, is that they'll put $25,000 of funny money into your account. Those accounts will be open, folks. It doesn't matter if you have an Nadex account right now or not. This is a separate account, so as you come over and sign up, if you're trading the Nadex product right now, great. You can still trade this. Everyone can trade it except folks that work for TFNN, okay? So the bottom line is that you sign up and get the sign-up done. Sunday, the 25th, no, Sunday, the Sunday the 28th, what will happen as soon as that exchange opens up, which on Sunday is going to open up at 6, you're off to the races. Check it out on the front page of TFNN. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. NASDAQ's getting smoked, folks, with volume. You stay right there. We're coming right back.